A of the graph straight line with the frequency axis. Thus, from the graph we have mu naught equal to OA equal to 2.7 into 10 power 14 second inverse. Second work function W is the intercept by the graph line on the energy axis. Thus, W equal to OB equal to 1.1 electron volt. Third, Planck's constant H is the slope of the straight line. Thus, H equal to RQ upon PR equal to 1.7 minus 0.5 divided by 7 minus 4 into 10 power 14 equal to 0.4 into 10 power minus 14 electron volt second. But 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Therefore, H equal to 0.4 into 10 power minus 14 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 equal to 6.4 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. Let's see another illustration. A light beam of wavelength 6000 angstrom and intensity 3.3 into 10 power minus 3 joule upon meter square second falls normally on a photocathode of surface area 1 centimeter square and work function 2 electron volt. Assuming that there is no loss of light by reflection etc., calculate the number of photoelectrons emitted per second. Let's see the solution. Energy of photon of wavelength lambda is hc upon lambda equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 6600 into 10 power minus 10 equal to 3.3 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Work function W equal to 2 electron volt equal to 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 equal to 3.2 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Since energy of photon is greater than the work function of the surface, the incident light is able to emit photoelectrons. Number of photons falling on area 1 square centimeter, that is 10 to the power minus 4 meter square, equal to intensity into area divided by photon energy equal to 3.3 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 4 upon 3.3 into 10 power minus 19 equal to 10 power 12. Since each photon emits one photoelectron, the number of photoelectrons emitted per second equal to 10 power 12. Let's see another illustration. In an experiment on photoelectric emission, following observations were made. First, wavelength of the incident light 1.98 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Second, stopping potential equal to 2.5 volt. Find threshold frequency, work function and energy of photoelectrons with maximum speed given E equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, H equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, C equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Let's see the solution. If the stopping potential be V naught, then the energy of photoelectrons emitting with maximum speed is half m V maximum square equal to EV naught equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into 2.5 equal to 4 into 10 power minus 19 joule. The energy of incident photon is h nu equal to hc upon lambda equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 1.98 into 10 power minus 7 equal to 10 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Therefore, work function W equal to 10 into 10 power minus 19 joule minus 4 into 10 power minus 19 joule equal to 6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Now W equal to H nu node. Therefore, the threshold frequency nu node is nu node equal to W upon H equal to 6 into 10 power minus 19 divided by 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 equal to 9.1 into 10 power 14 per second. Let's see another illustration. Light of wavelength 180 nanometer ejects photoelectrons from a plate of metal whose work function is 2 electron volt. If a uniform magnetic field of 5 into 10 power minus 5 Tesla be applied parallel to the plate, what would be the radius of the path followed by electrons ejected normally from the plate with maximum energy? H equal to 6.62 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, M equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, C equal to 1.6, E equal to 1.6 into 10